Hey there, Shot by APVA listeners. Welcome back to your go to channel for all things audio and creative industry updates. I am T Code and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today, we've got a fantastic lineup of news, exciting opportunities, and a creative spotlight you don't want to miss. So, let's dive right in. If this community has sparked your creativity or inspired you in any way, why not spread the word? Hit that like button, share this episode, and invite other creatives to join us. And hey, don't forget to visit apva.africa to become a member and stay in the loop. APVA is set to host its highly anticipated Hangout with APVA this month. Are you new to podcasting or voice artistry? Join us for an interactive session with award-winning voiceover artists and podcasters, Daktosh and Henda and the Years Girls. Date 28th March 2025. Time 6 p.m. GMT, 7 p.m. WAT. Venue Twitter X Space. Don't miss out. Respond Issue 14 is now available. This month's issue features Jamaldeen Hamzat, the roaring voice of impact. A powerhouse in the voiceover industry, Jamal has worked with global brands like Google and Coca-Cola, using his voice to bring stories to life and create lasting impact. His journey is only just beginning. Go and get your copy now. AI tool every podcaster and voiceover artist should know. In this article, Gracie Emo, the communications manager at APVA, shares our insights on how artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming the world of podcasting and audio content creation. Visit apva.africa to get more insight. Get ready to launch your podcast with confidence. Kevin Y. Brown's The Podcast Launch Blueprint is here to guide you every step of the way. This game-changing book provides a comprehensive roadmap to successful podcasting, covering strategic planning, audience management, and many more. In this article, Chukwudima Jude Ndubisi, editor at VoiceVerse NG, explores the possibility of voiceover artists winning a Grammy. Can a voiceover artist win a Grammy? Title of the article. While the Grammy Awards are widely regarded as the pinnacle of musical honors, there's a category for non-musical performances. Visit apva.africa to read more. The third edition of the AAWP Festival is coming to town this May. This exciting event celebrates the transformative power of poetry, highlighting its impact on storytelling, literacy, and women's empowerment, under the theme of memory and loss. Date 22nd to 24th May 2025. And to international news, the 2025 Voice Art Awards are now officially open for entries. This is your chance to shine and be recognized among the best in the industry. The Voice Art Awards presents or represents the highest standard of achievement for voice actors, directors, producers, casting professionals, spoken word artists, and audio engineers. The second edition of the Mom Podcasters Conference is an empowering one-day event designed exclusively for mom podcasters. Be there to network and collaborate with other moms in podcasting, nourish your creativity, and transform your mind. Date April 7, 2025. The International Women's Podcast Award is a prestigious event that recognizes and celebrates the outstanding contributions of women in the podcasting industry. Date 17th June 2025. Our spotlight of the week is Nifemi Awubajo. Nifemi Awubajo is a podcaster and the host of the True Talk with Nifemi podcast. She won the Rising Talent of the Year category during the 2024 APVA Awards. Connect with her on Instagram at true_talk with Nifemi. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. If you're hungry for more content, be sure to visit our website at apva.africa for all the latest updates. Stay connected, stay creative, and as always, keep on grooving. See you next time.